Lock up your things with iKeep, the smartest, most convenient safe ever. We created a safe to keep your medicine secure and prevent prescription drug abuse, but we ended up with so much more. iKeep is a personal safe designed to provide an intelligent, secure, and private storage area for your medications and personal belongings. Smart lock capabilities enable you to quickly access your belongings when you need them and give you comfort and security when you don't. The sealed compartment keeps moisture out, keeping your valuables safe from contamination. Use your smartphone, the onboard keyboard, or the manual lock to unlock it. iKeep is smart and convenient. It will send you alerts if it's low in battery, out of Wi-Fi range, or if you left it open. More importantly, it will alert you if it's been tampered with. With the built iKeep, be smart about your security.
We know your life is busy, so our all-in-one security system does the hard work for you. Just set it up and it'll tell you what you need to know. With Honeywell Smart Home Security, you can check on what's happening at home even when you're not there. You'll know the kids got home on time, thanks to an alert when they come through the door. Smart Home Security helps give you confidence when you're away. And when you return, your system can see your home and is ready to greet you. The Smart Home Security System from Honeywell. It's good to know.
Sam and Julia had a nice holiday. Beach, sun, pool, and food. Now they're home. But Sam forgot something. KeyMit is a smart lock, which allows you to open your door with your smartphone. With KeyMit, you can be sure that it fits. We designed it to work with the most common door locks in the US, Europe, and Japan, and it's very simple to install. It's easy. Install our app and lock or unlock your door using your smartphone. You can also share access, see the history of entries, set alarms for unwanted activity, and more using the app. It's convenient. Set the door to unlock using our gesture control feature, and to lock automatically when you are leaving the house. You can also control the lock remotely with the optional Wi-Fi hub. Just place it anywhere within the Bluetooth range of the smart lock. And finally, it's high quality. Made in Germany, we offer the strongest turning force of any smart lock and double the battery life.
Imagine having a smart gate or garage door with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity that works with your smartphone, opens automatically as you arrive home, notifies you about anything you need to know, and also works with Alexa. Today, it all becomes possible with Remotio, the first versatile end-to-end encrypted Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled smart remote controller that makes your old gates and garage doors smart. Remotio's Wi-Fi connectivity lets you control your gates from anywhere in the world. And thanks to the Bluetooth integrated design, Remotio also works when there is no internet connection. The intuitive app allows you to share keys with friends and family and manage their access rights easily. Remotio can notify you when your children arrive home, or you can simply let them in if they forgot their keys. The other accessories bring Remotio to the next level. Get notifications if someone rang your doorbell, or allow your friends to let themselves in with a push of a button. What's more, the Remotio app is available in multiple languages. Back us today and make your gates smart.
Keep your family safe with the Skybell Video Doorbell. Skybell sends live video of your front door to your smartphone so you can always know who's at the door.
Can I help you?
We also believe that the things that keep you safe should also keep you connected to the ones you love.
Daddy, I'm home from school and look what I made you.
Skybell HD's motion sensor will alert you when an unwanted visitor doesn't press the doorbell. And full-color night vision helps you see perfectly at night.
Hit the lights.
Tired of visitors waking up your baby by pressing your doorbell? With the silent mode feature, you can turn off the indoor chime and still receive notifications on your phone. Skybell HD records each video you see, so you can watch or download the video at a later time, even if you didn't see it live. When combined with other smart home products like locks, lights, and indoor cameras, Skybell HD becomes the eyes to your smart home.
Meet Safera Sense, the smart cooking sensor that gives super senses to your stove. All this is done by a slim, discreet device. Simply place it above the cooktop, wall, or under the cooker hood. That's it. Now you're all set. This one-button device is very simple to use and is packed with highly advanced technology. The smart sensor has a powerful processor that analyzes data from over 10 sensors. It only takes a minute to install, and then Safera Sense is ready to help you with smart cooking, air quality, and cooking safety. Safera, we sense what humans don't.
Home security is something that concerns us all. But what goes on at your home when you're not there?
Don't even think about it. You need to leave.
Introducing Floodlight Cam by Ring, a motion-activated security camera that puts HD video, automated recording, and a powerful alarm in your hands. Floodlight Cam is the ultimate in proactive home security. A 140-degree HD camera detects motion and captures video with two-way talk. And two high-beam LED smart lights illuminate every corner of your home for optimal video quality. You can easily customize Ring's advanced motion detection so you only get notified when it matters. Available in 2 weatherproof finishes, Floodlight Cam is easy to install on any home and integrates with a variety of smart technologies.
Life's busy and you're on the go. Keeping your home safe should be easy. With Corner, it is. Corner is simple home security from the palm of your hand. Just plug it in and our app connects automatically. Then stick tags to doors and windows. Easy. Portable. Powerful technology. After a brief one-time setup, your home is ready. It's that easy. When there's an intrusion, Corner lets out a loud siren and your phone receives a notification, instantly letting you call the police or message your security circle, a list of friends, family, and neighbors who can check on your home. It's your own neighborhood watch right from your phone.